Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Will. This week I got two lovely gifts in the mail. So, first gift was from Jennifer's Crafts and Creations. She sent me these beautiful pen blanks, resin pen blanks. And a couple of stickers as well. So that's Jen's and that's Mark's, her husband. So I'll just show you these. These are absolutely stunning. Absolutely. So I'm going to make a couple of pens. So I've chosen this one and this one. So you're going to see me making two pens from these. So I'll just stick those to one side. So my second gift was my good friend Hugh from Wouldn't It Be Nice sent me some lovely cigar pen kits. We can't get them here in Ireland, so he kindly sent me over a few. So I'm going to use this on one of them, and this is a button click Sierra. So these are the two pens I'm going to make. So again, back to thank you Hugh for the pen kits, absolutely stunning. And again, thank you to Jen for these stunning pen blanks. They really are amazing. Just looking at them, the quality of them it's flawless. There's no bubbles, so they're made to perfection. They really are. And the colours are just stunning. Absolutely. So I'm going to look forward to turning these. Yeah, as I said, they're absolutely flawless pen blanks. So anyway, I'm going to take the two I've chosen and I'm going to take them over to the bandsaw, cut them, and I'll drill them and glue in the tubes, and I'll take you back at that stage, and we'll get to turning them. So I shall see you back here at the lathe in a couple of minutes. Well, for you it'll only be a second. So drilling went good. So the drill perfectly straight through, which was really good, and you can see by the shavings the lovely stable blanks. So I'm going to get them get the tubes glued in, and I'll take you back when I have them on the mantle to turn them. So now guys, I have the tubes all glued in, all went well. So I'm going to start turning. I'm doing the cigar pen first. So this is the nib, this end. Tools I'm using, just a little 3/4 inch spindle gouge. So it's cutting really well. Some beautiful colours in this one, really is. So I'm happy with that one. I'm down to the bushing on both sides. So I'll take this one down, this side now down to the same, and then I'll just give them a light little scrape, just to refine any little tool marks over. Just a little 3/4 inch continental spindle gouge. I use this for turning all my pens. I have a 40-degree bevel on it, so it cuts really well. That's just my method of doing it. So now I'm just down to the bushings, so a couple of little light tool marks, you can see them here. So I'm just going to give a little touch with the skew. I've just raised the burr on the skew, so it's just taking the dust off. So that's the turning done. So I'll take this one off and I'll move it to one side and I'll turn the other, and then I'll get the two sanded together. The shavings, they love to catch around everything. Some beautiful colours in this one as well. So whatever type of resin it is, there's no smell off it whilst I'm turning it. Like some resin blanks I have here, they really smell bad. But this one, there's no smell at all. So I'm nearly down on this side and I'm nearly there, so not much to go. So now we'll just give it a light scrape with the skew. Now happy with that. Some beautiful colour in that also. So now I'll get this off of the lathe and I'll just get set up to get them sanded. So I'll take you back in a couple of minutes. So now I'm all set up for sanding. I'm going to start sanding at 400 because I got a nice finish off of the tool. So bring the speed back down a little bit. So just checking to make sure I got rid of all the scratch marks in that grit, because if you go up a couple of grits past it, you won't get them out of it. You'll have to go back and start again. So it's better to stop and check as you go. No, looks good. Two more grits to go. That is going to make one pretty nice pen. So I'll get this one off and get the other one done. And that one is a beauty as well. So now we'll get rid of this. That shined up really good. So these are going to make some lovely pens. So I'll just get the pen press set up and I shall take you back when I'm ready to put them together. So now the pen press set up. So this was the first one I turned, so which is going to be the Cigar. So we'll make a start on getting him pressed together. That was the first part. So this is the clip. So I just need to screw this little lad out because there's a push or a click. So I don't want to break the little clicker on the top. So just choosing where to put the clip. Yeah, I don't think it matters. The blank is a lovely colour all the way around, so we'll go there. Pop in our refill, little spring. So there we have it. One button click Cigar with one of Jen's lovely blanks. That is really, really nice pen. So I'm really happy with that. I thought I could see the tube through the blank, but it's not. It's actual the colour in the blank. So happy with that. So we'll move on and get the next one done. So I have never put one of these together, so I'm just going to wing it. That's the first part. Just make sure I get this right first. Yeah. So this is the top section. So I think this guy goes in next. I watched a quick video this morning on YouTube, so I'm just trying to remember all the parts. And then the cap. Well, it has to be because I've no bits left. So that's the top half of the pen. So I think this guy goes on here now. That pushes in there. So one little component next, the nib. So it takes the Parker refill, which is good. So pop him in there. There we go. Nib is retracting. That is a beautiful pen, really is. That is a gorgeous blank. I definitely will be ordering some more of those off of Jen. So there's the other one. And thank you to Hugh for sending me this pen kit. He sent me 3 pen kits. And the blanks were supplied by Jen. Jennifer's Craft and Creations, and a few stickers that went up on my wall, my sticker board as well. So I will leave a link to Jen's website in the description below, and a link to Hugh's channel as well. Check out Hugh's channel. He does some really great stuff over there as well. So now, just finished our cigar pen. That is a really nice pen. That shined up. Absolutely, I over the moon with how well it came out. The micro mesh pads, they take it up to, I think it's 12,000 grit. And I've never used one of these kits, so thank you to Hugh for sending it over to me. He sent me over 3 of them. So I'll leave a link to Hugh's channel in the description below, so check him out, and he does some great videos. Yeah, amazing. I'm really chuffed with that. I'll definitely be ordering some more of these off of Jen. So, as again, those pen blanks were supplied by Jennifer's Craft and Creations, and I'll leave a link to Jen's channel and website below in the description also. But definitely I will be having some more of these. These are really great. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, you might hit the subscribe, hit the like. Helps my channel grow a little bit as well. So it's good for me. And I shall catch us all on the next one. So take care. Bye for now.